How to fix Huawei mobile phone's screen flickering issue. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button. And then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings and then click on display and brightness. Now here you can turn off your automatic brightness, and after turning off your automatic brightness, then go back to the main page of your settings and scroll down and click on system and updates and then click on reset. On top you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on reset all settings and then again click on reset all settings. After reset all the settings, then go back and check your software update. Now click on software update and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.